Tito sentida. Oh? Oh?
Ayun, sakto.
Go, Kat Wincy, kaso. Go, kisag na
Oh. What's wrong? You're awake pala. Don't cry later, ha? When you breastfeed, ha? Huh? Have you learned how to breastfeed, ha? Hmm? You've done that?
Gumayat.
You've done that? Is that done that? That's the smell of the baby. I really love you.
Parang madul, smell sa dulay. Umot ka.
Hello, baby.
Here's your tita and tita.
Oh.
Kita na missing yung eyes.
Finally, wala na kay
What's
Kuan.
this one? Oh, your dark spot.
Hello. Nakakabon na ito.
Hindi lang. Bisa, no? Tapos hindi siya. Hindi ba naman? Ano na? What's this one? Who did this to you, ha?
Crack yung skin.
Ano eh? Okay. Ganyan, di kaya ko ano, kanang mga tusok sa ano. Wala na yung kuhan ka.
Ito para sa medicine?
Wala na.
Sure ka?
Wala na.
Ay, it's a very good baby.
We're gonna come home soon, ano? We're gonna come home soon.
We're going home soon. We're just going
Open your eyes wide.
medicine.
Open your eyes wide. Open your eyes
Open
wide.
your eyes, Nick.
Na parang siya natugko ko, no? Kaning log, kaning log ba?
Ano yung toast taas tayo?
Baby.
Oh.
You're like a beho. Look at that too. Beha di ay.
Open your eyes.
Open your eyes, baby.
You're like a Buddha, oh.
Hayag kayo sa taas eh. Hindi siya ka...
Step.
Matay.
Sibog daw ang may baby. Ilagay si Maika.
Little black
Okay,
step.
Tita Maika. Gigil na gigil.
Looking at daddy.
You're so fair.
You're so
puti.
Okay. Little one, two. Looking at daddy. You recognize my voice? No. No?
Do you remember
I was talking
the
naman yung
little match girl, maybe? Ay, red yung fun.
Naging both
Dali
eyes.
po nga, Mike.
Yung sarap pakialip po niya.
Little tutu.
Sige, nakatang tumagdita.
Ikaw gali isa to? Oh, look at that.
Little badu. Little
Look at this one.
guy.
Give it a smile.
Little badu.
Where's the smile? Oh, you're sleepy. Oh, why are you frowning like that, huh? Frowning like that, frowning.
Ito may ito po nakasulod dili.
Nakasulod. Sige, lower. Kapiyat you.
Tambok.
Tambok yung six na.
Tambok sa picture no, video. Dako kay siya. Ay, nga.
You have
May
spikes
sa
on it.
picture mo. Di ba yung kulad dakuha niya na baby?
Why are you frowning at us?
Gamay mo na ang 6.4 pounds.
Okay
lang,
Why are you frowning? Frowning.
Nakupunta kong tiyan.
Bit mo like, nga. Libat ay.
Okay, what I like.
Pikot na amor hapon. Weird.
Tambok kay siya.
Oh, sleepy na. Sleepy na.
Ay, don't sleep yet. You're
Sleepy
going to
na.
eat pa.
Wake up. Ready? Smile. Wake up. Wake up.
Down to the river.
Enhance
React lagi na yun ang tone.